Welcome back to Cooking with Cad. We are excited to be back for another how-to video. Caleb, say hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb.
Dustin, say hi, Dustin.
Hi, Dustin.
All right, so for those of you who may be new to our channel, Cooking with Cad, Caleb and Dustin, I thought it had a nice ring to it, so that's why our channel is called Cooking with Cad. Tonight, we're gonna do appetizers for dinner. We were gonna do one of the appetizers outside on one of my smokers, but it's been raining all day and I don't have a covered patio at this house. So we're gonna do everything. One of the appetizers in the oven tonight, one of them in the crock pot. Yes, oven and crock pot. I know it's not barbecue, but this channel is Cooking with Cad, so we like to cook things and smoke things and do barbecue as well. So tonight we're gonna focus on everything inside because I'm not dealing with the rain outside. So Dustin, come over here and we'll show them what we're doing tonight. Tonight we're doing Moink Balls, and what Moink Balls are, as you can see, Dustin is showing you. We have pre-made meatballs. We have Colby Jack cubes of cheese, and we also have bacon over here, Dustin. And what Moink Balls are is basically the meatballs wrapped with bacon, but we like to put cheese inside of ours, so that's why we have that. 24 pieces of cheese, 24 meatballs. And then the other thing that we're doing tonight is Chile Con Queso. We like to up ours a bit and make it a little more flavorful and add chorizo in it. So you know how to make queso. I really don't have to show you a recipe for that. We'll have the entire recipe in the description below. And the first thing we've got to do for the queso is cook the chorizo. And Dustin is going to show us how to do that. Okay, so as you can see, Dustin is using one of our cast iron skillets, and the chorizo, I think that's the best chorizo around, Chorizo De San Manuel. And as you can see, we're only using half of it for the queso. We're gonna save the other half and most likely do chorizo and egg tacos in the morning for breakfast tomorrow. It does have a casing that the chorizo comes in, so you wanna be sure to just take that casing and squeeze the meat out into the skillet. And Dustin is working on getting that all cooked up for us. Caleb, what's up, buddy? You can see Dustin is wearing Go Spurs Go. Caleb has the hat on, San Antonio Spurs. Nikki, she's repping our Spurs, and so am I. Our Spurs take on the Denver Nuggets tonight in the first round of the playoffs. We're hoping they can steal a win tonight in the Mile High City. And as you can see, Dustin just keeps on stirring and stirring and stirring. He's gonna do that for a while. You don't need to see all of it. The next thing we'll do is once the chorizo is done, we'll go ahead and put it in the crock pot with everything else that we have in there for the queso. As you can see, the chorizo is to our liking. It's got a really nice color to it, so that is ready to go. Nikki's gonna grab that and bring it over here to our crock pot. Inside, you can see what we have. We have a block of Velveeta and two 10-ounce cans of Rotel, mild, because Caleb likes to eat this. Nikki's gonna take the chorizo and scrape it in to the crock pot. Looking good. Good job, Ben. So there we go. Now what we're gonna do, in the kitchen wrist, twist it like a stir fry. Amigos. Any Amigos fans? All right, so here we go. We're just gonna mix it, mix it, mix it, and give it a few taps. That's good to go. We'll put the lid on it. Sorry, that was a little loud. All right, so we're gonna let that sit until it's done. Let's show you how to make Moink Balls. As you can see right here, we already have these pre-made. I found them today and they were actually cheaper per pound to buy them this way, so I was a little lazy today. They're already made for us. So Nikki is pressing a hole in the center of it so she can stick a cube of cheese in there. Once she gets it in there, she's gonna roll it back into a ball because you want to completely hide the cheese in the middle, if you will, so it doesn't ooze out while it's cooking. So there you go. Now she's gonna take a piece of bacon. I took an entire slab of bacon and cut it in half because these will not need a full piece of bacon. So there you go. a Moink Ball assembled and ready to go. We'll do that 23 more times. We won't show you each one. And next, we'll pop these into the oven. Mama has finished assembling 24 Moink Balls. And I'm sure you might be wondering, why Moink Balls? Well, moo is for cow, oink is for pig, hence the name Moink Balls. Dustin, check out these three right here. Aren't those beautiful? They remind me of roses, but edible roses, so much better than non-edible roses. So we've got them all assembled. We have our oven preheated to 375 degrees. Now we're gonna pop these in, let them go for 30 minutes. Put it on the middle rack. And we'll check them in 30 minutes. All right, so we told you we were gonna cook the Moink Balls for 30 minutes. We actually did them for 40. The bacon was a little thicker than I thought. So Dustin, zoom in, check out these beautifully stuffed Moink Balls. They came out absolutely perfect. So the stuffed Moink Balls are done. We also have our chorizo that we stuffed, our queso that we stuffed with chorizo. That is ready to eat as well. And I am gonna pair it tonight with one of my favorites, Nito Bandito. Should be delicious. Nikki's gonna take a Moink Ball, and this is gonna be the money shot. She's gonna slice it in half. We're gonna check out that cheese on the inside. Look at that. Perfection. There's the stuffed Moink Ball that we are gonna dig into, along with our Chile Con Queso with chorizo. A really simple way to kick up your queso by adding the chorizo. And guys, if you try these Moink Balls, let us know. They're absolutely delicious. They're easy to make. And we hope that you enjoyed watching another how-to. Very simple way to do 2 appetizers and kick them up just a bit by adding the chorizo into the queso and stuffing your Moink Balls with cheese. As you can see, this one's getting hungry. I'm getting hungry too. So until the next episode, you guys, that's crunchy, huh? You guys enjoy. Smash that thumbs up, like this for us, subscribe as well, and we'll see you on the next episode of Cooking with Cad. Peace.